Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Welcome back to our today's GK class. Now we are going to our today's class. Today we are going to learn about sounds of animals. What is sounds of animals? We humans are communicating our needs and feelings by talking or speaking. Similarly, birds and animals are also making sounds. We represent their sounds with different words. മിസ് ഇപ്പം എന്താ പറഞ്ഞതെന്ന് മനസ്സിലായോ? അതായത് നമ്മൾ മനുഷ്യർ നമ്മുടെ കാര്യങ്ങളൊക്കെ മറ്റുള്ളവരെ അറിയിക്കുന്നത് എങ്ങനെയാണ്? നമ്മുടെ സംസാരത്തിലൂടെ, അല്ലേ? നമ്മൾ സംസാരിച്ചു കൊണ്ടാണ് മറ്റുള്ളവരോട് കാര്യങ്ങൾ പറയും, അല്ലേ? ഇതേപോലെ ബേർഡ്സും ആനിമൽസും എല്ലാം അവരുടെ കാര്യങ്ങൾ കമ്മ്യൂണിക്കേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. എങ്ങനെ? യെസ്, അവരുടെ സൗണ്ട്സിലൂടെ, അല്ലേ? അവരുടെ സൗണ്ടിലൂടെയാണ് അവർ അവരുടെ കാര്യങ്ങൾ കമ്മ്യൂണിക്കേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ഈ സൗണ്ട്സിനെ വി റെപ്രസെൻറ്റ് ദെയർ സൗണ്ട്സ് വിത്ത് ഡിഫറെൻറ്റ് വേർഡ്സ്. ഈ മൃഗങ്ങളുടെ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ പക്ഷികളുടെയൊക്കെ സൗണ്ടിനെ നമ്മൾ പല പേരിട്ട് വിളിക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. ഓക്കെ, so today we are going to learn about sounds of animals. What is sounds of animals? Okay, the first one is, what is the sound of honeybee? Do you know? I will tell. The sound of honeybee is buzz. What is buzz? Sound of honeybee is buzz. What is the spelling of buzz? B-U-Z-Z. What is B-U-Z-Z? Buzz. The sound of honeybee is buzz. Okay, then roar. Yes, lion. The roar is the sound of a lion. What's the sound of lion? Roar is the sound of lion. Okay, then what's the sound of cat? Yes, mew. Yes, very good. But today we are going to learn another word of mew. What is that? Do you know that? I will tell. Purr. What is purr? What is the spelling? P-U-R-R. Once again, P-U-R-R. Purr. So, the sound of cat is purr. Okay. Then, what is the sound of rat? The sound of rat is squeak. What is squeak? All of you say, sound of rat is squeak. Very good. What is the spelling? Yes, Q-U-E-A-K. What is? Yes, Q-U-E-A-K. Squeak. Okay. Then, what's the sound of snake? Yes, hiss. Very good. What's the sound of snake? The sound of snake is hiss. Spelling H-I-S-S. What is? H-I-S-S. Hiss. Once again, the sound of honeybee is buzz. Then, sound of lion is roar. Sound of cat is purr. Then, sound of rat is squeak. Then, sound of snake is hiss. Okay. Then, whose sound is moo? Yes, cow. What's the sound of cow? Moo. Very good. And all of you say, what is the spelling of moo? Yes, M-O-O. Very good. Once again, M-O-O. Moo. The sound of cow is moo. Then, chatter. Do you know whose sounds is that? All of you say chatter. Yes, monkeys. The sound of monkey is chatter. What is? Chatter. Very good. And what is the spelling? Chatter. What is? Chatter. Chatter. So, the sound of monkey is chatter. 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 Then, quack quack. Yes, very good. Duck. The sound of duck is quack. What is the spelling? Q. Yes. Then U-A-C-K. Very good. The sound of duck is quack. Very good. Then the last one. What is the sound of horse? Do you know? Don't? I will tell. Neigh. What is? All of you say? Neigh. Yes, very good. The sound of horse is neigh. What is the spelling? N-E-I-G-H. Once again. N-E-I-G-H. Neigh. The sound of horse is neigh. Okay. So once again, sound of cow is moo. Then sound of monkey is chatter. Then sound of duck is quack. And the last one, sound of horse is neigh. Okay? Once again, I repeat. The sound of honeybee is buzz. Then sound of lion is roar. Then sound of cat is purr. Then sound of rat is squeak. Then sound of snake is hiss. Then sound of cow is moo. Then sound of monkey is chatter. And sound of duck is quack. And the last one, sound of horse is neigh. Did you understand? Yes, very good. Then my dear students, all of you please take your GK text and take the page number 10. Now all of you please listen. Animal talk. What is? All of you say animal talk. What sounds do these animals make? Write in the bubbles. എന്താ പറയുന്നത്? ഈ മൃഗങ്ങളൊക്കെ ഉണ്ടാക്കുന്ന സൗണ്ട് എന്താണ് എന്ന് ഇവിടെ ബബിൾസ് കാണുന്നില്ലേ? അവരുടെ നേർക്കുള്ള ബബിൾസിൽ നമ്മൾ എഴുതണം. സൗണ്ട്സിൻ്റെ നെയിംസ് ഇവിടെ തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഓക്കെ, സോ ഫസ്റ്റ് വൺ, സൗണ്ട് ഓഫ് honeybee. Who is this? Honeybee. Sound of honeybee is, what is? Buzz. What is? Buzz. What is the spelling? B-U-Z-Z. So we write here B-U-Z-Z. Buzz. Then lion. What is the sound? Yes, where is roar? Here. R-O-A-R. So we write here R-O-A-R. Sound of lion is R-O-A-R. Roar. Then cat. The sound of cat is purr. What is? Purr. What is the spelling? P-U-R-R. So we write here P-U-R-R. So the sound of cat is P-U-R-R. Purr. Okay, then rat. What is the sound of rat? Squeak. What is? Squeak. All of you listen. What is the spelling? Yes, Q-U-E-A-K. What is? Yes, Q-U-E-A-K. K. So we write here SQUEAK. Squeak. The sound of rat is squeak. Okay? Then snake. What is the sound? Yes, his. What is? His. What is the spelling? HISS. What is? HISS. His. So we write here HISS. Snake. What is the sound of snake? His. HISS. His. Then cow. What is the sound? Yes, moo. Where is? Here. What is the spelling? MOO. Moo. What is? MOO. Moo. So we write here MOO. Moo. The sound of cow is moo. Okay. Then monkey. What is? Yes, chatter. Where is chatter? Here. CHATTER. Chatter. So we write here CHATTER. Chatter. So the sound of monkey is chatter. Okay. Then duck. The duck sound is quack. 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 Once again, QUACK. Quack. So the sound of duck is QUACK. Quack. Okay. Then the last one, horse. What is the sound of horse? Yes, here, neigh. What is? Neigh. All of you say? Neigh. Very good. What is the spelling? NEIGH. Once again, NEIGH. So we write here NEIGH. NEIGH. The sound of horse is neigh. So once again, all of you please listen. Sound of honeybee is buzz. So we write here. And sound of lion is roar. Right here. Then sound of cat is purr. So we write here. Then sound of rat is squeak. Right here. Then sound of snake is hiss. We write here hiss. Then sound of cow is moo. So we write here moo. Then monkey. The sound of monkey is chatter. So we write here chatter. The sound of duck is quack. So we write here quack. This last one, sound of horse is neigh. So we write here neigh. Okay. Now my dear students, all of you please do your activities in your textbook and also write down in your notebook. Okay. And send to me. Hurry up. Okay. Now we go to wind up our today's class and we will meet again on another GK class. Till that time, my dear students, all of you please stay at home and stay safely. Okay? Then, bye-bye. Thank you. Have a nice day.